In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video opacity on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, a story, or any other project, adjusting the opacity of your video can add a dynamic layer of visual interest. So, let's dive into this simple yet impactful editing technique. First, you'll want to start by selecting the video element within your Visme project. This is typically the first step whenever you're making changes to any media in Visme. Simply click on the video you've added to your canvas. You'll know that it's successfully selected when you see a bounding box with handles appear around it. These handles are a visual clue that signify the video is ready for editing. Next, direct your attention to the Settings or Properties panel. Generally, this panel is located on the right-hand side of your screen. When the video is selected, this panel becomes your go-to control center. Here, you'll find a variety of video-specific options. You might notice controls for playing or pausing the video, trimming it to your needs, or adjusting the volume. These are all part of the standard toolkit provided by Visme to give you comprehensive control over your video content. For this particular task, however, our focus is on finding the option to adjust the opacity. Within the Settings or Properties, look carefully for a slider or input labeled Opacity, or sometimes Transparency. This is the tool that will allow you to adjust how transparent or opaque your video appears on the canvas. Once you locate this slider, try moving it back and forth to see the differences. If you slide it all the way to 0%, the video becomes fully transparent, essentially invisible. Conversely, setting it to 100% will make the video fully opaque, blocking anything behind it from view. Adjusting opacity is not just about visibility. It's also a creative tool to blend your video with other elements on your canvas. For example, if you want text or images to show through the video, setting a lower opacity can achieve a harmonious overlap effect. Remember, when it comes to design, the key is balance. Play around with the opacity levels until you strike the perfect balance that complements your overall project theme. It's always a good idea to preview your changes to ensure everything appears as intended and is not overly transparent or too dominant within your design. By following these steps, you can effectively alter the visual impact of your videos within Visme, adding a professional and polished touch to your projects. With the right opacity settings, you can make your presentations both engaging and visually stunning. That's all for today. Happy editing!